welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be transforming my busted nails into some baddie nails, some glam nails. I'm about to be looking real cute and on a budget because you know I'm doing this affordable beauty series where I'm testing out and just showing you affordable products, and you can still be cute like you want, because why spend top dollar if you don't have to. Today this video I am using icing products. This brand, I think they're owned by Claire's, so they're like combined. They have really cute glue-on instant nails for cheap. I'm gonna put up a picture of what they look like. So here is one set of nails right here. I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone with these because I don't know, I just wanted to try something different. Usually I would just do like a plain nail. Cute snakeskin nails. So when I got these, I got 20% off. First 20% off by signing up with their email notifications. And just a tip for anybody who doesn't want to get those annoying emails to help you buy stuff, just either use a very old email account that you don't even look at anymore, or just create like your little spam email account that you can sign up for those promotions for. So these snakeskin nails I got for only $5.99. So I also got these French ombre nails right here. And I also got these on sale for $5.39. Just so you know, these do come with a glue inside, but I also purchased their brush on nail glue as an added sticky layer. Brush on nail glue. So I just got that as an added sticky layer because I wash my hands a lot, so stick-on nails probably last like maybe a week and a half before they come off. I mean, you can glue them back on, but they can be a hassle sometimes. So I got that as an added protection. And you're gonna need a nail filer, just any old nail filer. And then I also got this nail clipper right here, which I'm gonna use to trim down my nails, because y'all, please give me suggestions, because my nails, no matter what I do, no matter what vitamins I take, no matter what product I brush on my nails, they're so thin and brittle. They just grow long and thin. Without further ado, let's transform these nails. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I have really brittle, thin nails, so I don't really have an attachment to my nails. So I'm just going to be cutting them off because I don't see the purpose of having them there. But if you do care about your nails, you can leave them on. However, I don't really recommend doing glue-on or press-on nails if you do care about your nails and they're in good health, because the glue can kind of mess up your nails. But anywho, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim them down so that way they're all gonna be even. And yeah, next, we're going to be taking our filer and just rubbing it across the surface of our nails. This is going to make the top of your nail a little bit rough, and it's going to help the adhesive to bind the nail, the press-on nail, with your real nail. So this is just another added step you can do to help make your nails last longer. And here I'm just showing you what your nails should look like after you run the filer over top of them. Now that your nails are prepped and ready to apply the press-on nails, I just dump them all out and kind of put them on my nail and match them up. A super life hack when it comes to your nails that I didn't know about, but you guys probably already knew, is that there's a number on the bottom of each of the nails. So once you match up one nail with your thumb just say your thumb. Say the number is 3. All you have to do is find the other number 3 in the set of nails, so that way you're matching them up exactly alike. I remember I used to just try and compare them, and then half the time they were not the same size, but that's how you can do that. As you can see, I'm just lining up the nails on the side of me just because it's super easy and less time consuming if you just already have all your nails matched out first. So I'm just doing that and placing them over to the side. They'll be ready for me when I start applying them. As I said before, we're going to be using both glues as added protection and just to have a good strong bond with your nail and the press-on nail. This is what's going to help it last much longer. So you want to start out by putting the glue that comes with the package on your real nail first. Then you want to take the brush-on glue and apply that on the press-on nail, making sure that you cover the entire portion of the press-on nail that's going to be on your real nail. You want to hold that down firmly for at least 15 seconds. You also get a little black tool that comes with your nail set, and you're going to use that to press the nail up against your real nail, and just making sure that you are pressing down the edges around the perimeter, making sure that it's binded to your real nail, because we don't want any of the creases to be lifted, because if any moisture gets under there, it could help lift it up, which we don't want. I just want to show you the process one more time. You're going to put the glue that comes with the nail set on your real nail as the first layer of glue. Then you're going to take the brush on glue and brush that on the fake press on nail as the second layer of glue. This is just going to help bind it and keep it on longer. Hold the press on nail firmly to your nail for at least 15 seconds. Take your black tool that comes with the nail set and press around the perimeter to make sure that all your creases are pushed down firmly and there are no open gaps. Alright, this last step is just a personal preference. You don't have to do this. I just like the look of it. I take my Sally Hansen's Top Coat nail polish and brush it on the top of the press-on nail. This just gives it like a nice glossy look, which I feel like it makes me feel like I really got my nails done at the nail salon. I don't know. I just like the way it looks, and you're welcome to try it out too if you want to see. Alright you guys, here is the finished product. In my opinion, these look just as good as a nail salon. They may not last as long as if you were to go to the nail salon, but these nails were like $6, and you buy the brush on glue that is like another $6, but that's only a one-time cost because you can use that over multiple sets of nails. So it's saving you a lot of money and your nails are still looking cute. So I hope you guys like this video and I hope you try them out for yourself. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here are the final results. I will do a close-up so you can see. I really like these nails. They're really something different for me. I usually don't do like, you know, prints and stuff on my nails. I'm a very simple person. So if you want to try out these nails or similar nails, I'll link everything down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye.